Okay, so let's we create some maps inside the world machine, and we'll look on a way we can do this. For example, inside the view, how we can import those maps and reuse it. So for this, we're going to create a new map. And I want to be sure the size of the map, when we open to edit, terrain, standard terrain right here, this resolution will match resolution of the map we're going to use. And for example, for lava, we was using 1025 actually, but 1 extra pixels, but 1024 will work as well. We'll disable any side, so we'll have a full preview. Go inside the image, and we'll go to image, right, open, and right here you can see I have a high field already enabled. We'll go 100% to the picture. Now let's click OK. So again, see we have a nice effect. You can kind of look on the mountain right there. We have a path we can fill with other. We have those cracks on the ground. We also have some erosion applied. So it's kind of combined complex terrain. Let's go click OK. Take our camera. Let's move slightly above, maybe, out, so we can preview, see kind of our ground from above. And this is a little bit more helpful to look above, so we can see where the coloring and a map will apply it. So right here is our terrain. Let's set scale to 1. And we want to keep it scaled to 1 because the maps, what we apply based on the image, there will be procedural parametrics, assigned directly to size of the terrain. And if scale is wrong, you'll see they kind of start shifting or applying wrong. So we want to be sure to keep it scale 1 here. And as well, I will start work adding layers. We want those layers to be object parametric. Okay, so let's just for now change this color, and I want to apply darker kind of brownish to this, some burning maybe places. Okay, we'll create a new, and we'll just have a flow for this. I'm going to switch the color, put a red bright color, so we can easily see where it's applied with the transparency. And we'll go use to variable transparency. We can directly assign to global transparency, but I do like use variable transparency because it's showing me some maps here if I need to see very fast. Okay, we'll open in function editor. Again, for this you need to have a special version of the view, infinity, complete, and extreme. Other versions you need purchase additional module for this. Okay, so now we'll go to add texture map, and we'll select projected texture map, and we'll connect this transparency right here. We'll go drag and connect to grayscale output. One thing, remember what I say, we want to switch this parametric, and other important things, we actually want to load it properly map. So we'll go right here. We'll select our cracks flow. Yeah, let's go to the flow now. Okay, we'll go right here, lava path, pure lava path, and you notice it's kind of going inside, so we want to invert the colors. So now we have it, this path applied just inside red one. Okay, actually it says flow, so maybe we should switch to flow map, and this kind of nice. So how I say, we can go right there. Let's go open, and this is our flow map. Again, let's go to inverse our colors, so you can see applied red just in those areas. Okay, let's go next. We'll go add new one. We'll go with lava path on this one. Same, we'll go apply maybe just brighter green, so we can preview, see ways that will apply it. Let's go inside the transparency. Same things as we did before. We go to add texture map, projected map. Let's open. We'll go to lava path. And we'll take transparency and connect it to this one, grayscale output. It won't work for a couple reasons. One, we need invert the colors, and second, we want to be sure it's set to object parametric. So now you can see we have it green just going inside our mountain. So let's click OK. Take camera, maybe bring it a little bit closer. Okay, and you can see right there we have our green kind of applied and going inside our terrain. Okay, let's till we're here, let's go change very fast ours, this flow. I want to reset the color, switch to natural grain, and we'll set color to reddish and rather yellow. So right kind of areas will fill up. Let's go to lava path, and we can also apply some lava around, but for this one we'll just go same natural grain, and that one will be, you know, maybe darker kind of red and orange. So we have some color going around. We have several other maps, but we can also just, let's do a couple more so we can follow. One we'll call deposit, and for the deposit we'll just use a regular kind of yellowish color. Same global transparency, variable transparency, edit, go to the texture, project texture, let's go to preloaded, and we'll go select deposit one. We'll go to invert this, okay. Switch to the object parametric, and you can see this way we can kind of like start adding one layer after another. Let's take our camera, so just move slightly so we can render and preview this our map. A little bit open. I'm just looking on the best shadowing. Let's go click shadow. So it will give it us a little bit more soft. We'll go to atmosphere editor for this. Just pop up a little bit more dimensions. And let's bring lighting, global radiosity, standard spectral. And darker desaturated a little bit color. Okay, I think we're ready to click and preview. You'll notice we're using only some of the maps, like in a darker, and we can add more and more maps because we have, I think, about 6 maps different we save, so we can add multiple different colors, but the techniques will be same thing. So going over and over, just add additional layers. Okay, so right here we have it our image render, and you can see we have it nice cracks, kind of we can use for lava. We can add other elements inside the lava, but for now we can see there's some coloring apply. Also with depositing right here you can see very different texturing going. So overall it's look very natural, and additional texture maps that we save it can be applied inside the Vue, Terragen, or your gaming program, whatever you're using. Thank you for watching these tutorials from Geekatplay Studio, and please remember visit us on the web is www.geekatplay.com.